Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of today's discussion is 800-year-old Shiva temple unearthed at Udampatti, and the subject is art and culture. Recently, an 800-year-old Shiva temple from the later Pandya period has been unearthed at Udampatti, a village in Melur Taluk, Tamil Nadu. Inscriptions on the culvert shed light on the temple's financial independence, marking the significance of the find. The temple was identified as being dedicated to Lord Shiva, as indicated by references to Shilpa Shastram. The stone base of the temple is well preserved on the northern and southern sides, though the temple's upper structure is missing. The inscriptions on the foundation stone date back to the Pandya era, specifically 1217 to 1218 CE during Maravarman Sundara Pandya's reign. The inscriptions say the village was named Atur and the temple was called Thenna The term Thennavan refers to a Pandya title, adding cultural depth to the discovery. The inscriptions detail a sale deed of a water body by Alaga Perumal, the chieftain of Kalavali Nadu, to Nambi Perambal Kuthan, also known as Kangeyan. The water body, named Nagankudi, along with both wet and dry land, was sold for 64 kasu or coins. The inscriptions clearly define the four boundaries of the land and water body that were transferred. Additionally, it is stated that the taxes due on the land should be paid to the god of Thenavaneswaram in Atur to cover its daily expenses. The Pandyas ruled from Madurai. Korkai was their main port, located near the confluence of Thampraparani with the Bay of Bengal. Their emblem was the fish. They patronized the Tamil Sangams and facilitated the compilation of the Sangam poems. Their power declined with the invasion of a tribe called the Kalabhras. After the Sangam age, this dynasty lost its significance for more than a century, only to rise once again at the end of the 6th century. And now, it's time for today's practice question. Consider the following statements about the Shiva temple discovered at Udampatti. 1. The temple dates back to the Pandya period. 2. The temple was dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. Or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send us your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.